Now see one question based on this particular bank reconciliation statement. So question is, from the following information, prepare bank reconciliation statement as on 31st December 2019. So you must write the topic is, your heading is bank reconciliation statement as on 31st December 2019. You write the date, okay? As on 31st December 2019. Point number A, debit balance as per cash book is given. Debit balance as per cash book. Bank balance as per cash book is given in the question. Bank balance as per cash book. And it's a debit balance. And you know the debit balance in cash book means it's a favorable balance. So what you'll do, you write the amount in plus column, because it's a favorable balance. Debit balance in cash book means, debit means your receipt is more than your payment. It's a favorable balance. So favorable balance you write in the plus column. Now next is a check of rupees 500. This is number A. Number B is what? Check of rupees 500. You write the sentence which is given over here. Check for rupees 500. Okay, 500 issued. You write this sentence completely. Okay, I'm not going to write the entire sentence, but you write the sentence completely. You write it, the check for rupees 500 issued in favor of Karan has not been presented for payment. You write it over here. Okay, and then see, this is your cash book, this is your passbook. So balance at present is here, both the balance is same, I am assuming it. Now check of rupees 500 when it is issued in favor of Karan has not been presented for payment. When the check is issued, it is recorded in the credit side of the cash book and cash book balance is reduced by 500. When it is recorded in cash book, so cash book, which side this will be recorded? When the check is issued, payment side. So cash book balance, cash book bank balance will reduce by 500, but that check is not presented for payment in the bank. So bank balance is not affected, passbook balance is not affected, that is as it is as before. So passbook balance is here, cash book balance is here. We have to start with the bank balance as per cash book. So only we do the plus minus this side to make the balance equal with the passbook. So what we will do to make the balance equal to the passbook, we will do the addition. We do the addition 500, then we will reach to the same level. So what we will do, we write the amount in plus, in plus column. Okay. Next is point number C. A bill of rupees, a bill of rupees 700 retired by bank. You write the whole sentence in over here. You write the sentence complete. A bill for rupees 500 retired by the bank on our behalf under a rebate of rupees 20. The bill amount, the full amount of the bill was credited in the cash book. Okay, full amount is credited in the cash book. Now see, this is cash book and passbook. A bill of rupees 700 retired by the bank means paid by the bank on our behalf under a rebate of rupees 20. So when the bank do the payment, on that time bank do the entry after deduction of rebate in my passbook. So a bill of rupees 700 retired by the bank on our behalf under rebate of 20, and the full amount of the bill was credited in the cash book. So when the bill is paid by the bank under a rebate of 20, so in passbook it is reduced by 680 after rebate. But in cash book the full amount is credited in the cash book. Full amount means 700 rupees is credited in the cash book. Okay. It should be entry is for rebate bank account debit, rebate account debit to bills receivable. Bills payable account debit to rebate to bank. Okay, if the bill is 700, rebate is 20, so it is 680. This should be 680, but in cash book full amount is credited. So cash book is reduced by 700, whereas passbook is reduced by 680 only. We have started with the cash book, so only we use this side to make the balance with the passbook. So what we'll do, we do the addition. How much? Plus 20. We do the plus 20, then it will be minus 700 plus 20, then it will be 680. So both side balance will be equal. Both side balance will be equal. So 20 rupees in the plus side. 20 rupees in the plus side. Next point is D. D is a check of rupees, a check of rupees 295. You write the complete sentence over here. 295 deposited in the bank, check of rupees 295, check of rupees 295 deposited in the bank has been credited. Sorry, a check of rupees 295 deposited in the bank has been dishonored. So when the check is deposited, cash book balance is increased by 295, but that check is dishonored in the bank. So passbook balance is not increased. Cash book balance has increased, but passbook balance is not increased. So what we'll do? We'll do minus 295 in the cash book, then it will be, the balance will be same as passbook. So minus 295 will be in the minus side. 295 will be in the minus side. Next point is E. A sum of rupees 800, a sum of rupees 800 deposited. You write the complete sentence. Sentence is sum of rupees 800 deposited in the bank has been credited as 80 in the passbook. Only 80 rupees is credited in the passbook. So when we deposit the amount, okay, how much amount is deposited? A sum of rupees 800 is deposited in the bank, so cash book is increased by 800, whereas passbook is increased by only 80 rupees plus 80. So to make the balance equal, what we'll do, we'll deduct, how much amount we'll deduct so that it will be plus 80, 720 will be minus. How much amount we'll deduct? 720. So 800 plus or minus 720, so this side will be plus 80. So cash book balance and passbook balance will be same. So 80 will be deducted. 720 will be deducted. 720. Next is F. Payment side of the payment side of cash book write the complete sentence. Payment side of cash book has been undercast. Payment side of the cash book is underside. Payment side, your credit side, is undercast. It means when you do the total of the payment side, the total amount is less. When the total amount is less in the payment side, okay, then the undercast by 200, then your cash book balance will increase by 200 because payment side is less. Then your cash book balance, bank balance as per cash book will increase. But that mistake is not done in the passbook. So passbook balance is here. To make the balance equal, what we will do? We will deduct 200. To make the balance equal to 200 will be deducted. Next is the G point, point number G. A bill receivable for rupees 1000. Thereafter complete the sentence. Discounted with the bank in November 2019. Discounted with the bank in November 2019. Dishonored on 31st December 2019 means on the date of reconciliation that check was dishonored. Was not recorded in the cash book. Entry of dishonor is not recorded in cash book. So when we deposit the amount, bills receivable discounted with the bank, so cash book will increase by that amount 1000 rupees when it is discounted with the bank. So cash book amount will be increased by 1000 and in passbook it is not recorded because the check which the bills which was discounted is dishonored by the bank. Bank is dishonored. Okay, discounted with the bank, dishonored on 31st December 2019 and the entry of dishonored is not done in the cash book. So cash book is increased but passbook is not increased, and after the dishonor cash book is not decreased. So what we will do, we will decrease the cash book by 1000 to make the balance equal with the passbook. So 1000 will be in minus column. Now we will do the total of both the side. This side total is 02501. Okay, and this side total is less than that, so you write the same figure over here and difference amount you write it over here. This side total is 3115. 3215. Okay, sorry, 2000 this much. So 5038 8305 is the difference amount. 8500 is the difference amount. Which side is more? Which side is more? Your plus side is more and minus side is less. So difference is your bank balance as per, we have started with the cash book balance, so this end will be bank balance as per passbook. Answer will be bank balance as per passbook. When you start with the cash book, answer will be opposite, bank balance as per passbook. Now the passbook, if the plus side is more and minus side is less, then passbook balance is credit balance, favorable balance, because plus is more than minus. Plus is more than minus. Okay, so you write the total over here 10,520. So difference amount is, this is the difference amount. This indicate the bank balance as per passbook. Okay, which balance, debit or credit? Plus is more than minus, so it's a favorable balance, and in passbook credit balance is the favorable balance, so you write the credit. Okay, now see the next question of bank reconciliation statement. On 31st January 2017, cash book sought a bank overdraft of rupees 12,500. Cash book sought a bank overdraft of rupees 12,500. On comparing it with the passbook, the following differences were noted. So point number 1 is cash and check amounting to rupees 3,400 were sent to bank on 27th January, but check worth rupees 230 were credited on 2nd January, and one check of rupees 45 was returned by the bank as dishonored on 4th February. So first of all, we see the date of reconciliation given over here is 31st January. Bank reconciliation statement as on 31st January. You must write the date first, 2017. This date is very important. In this date we have to see the entry is done or entry is not done. And bank balance as per cash book is given. Bank balance as per cash book is given, cash book. And this balance is overdraft, and cash book balance overdraft means it's a credit balance. And overdraft figure we have to write in the minus side, 12,500 in minus side. Okay, because it's an overdraft. Overdraft figure we will write in the minus side. Overdraft in cash book means it's a credit balance. Payment side exceed the receipt side. So first with the first one is cash and check. You write the complete sentence. Cash and checks amounting to rupees. You write the sentence first. Okay, you write the complete sentence over here. This sentence, cash and check amounting to rupees 1,340 were sent to bank on 27th January. Our reconciliation date is 31st January and it is sent on to bank on 27th January, but the check of rupees 230 were credited on 2nd February, means after the date of reconciliation, and one check of 45 was returned by the bank as dishonored on 4th February. So see the cash book and passbook, okay. So check amounting to rupees 1,340 when it is sent to bank for, so the cash book balance is increased by this amount, 1,340 were sent to bank on 27 January, but check of rupees 230 were credited on 2nd January. It means it is not credited up to this date. 230 rupees check is not credited up to 31st January. And one check of 45 is dishonored. 45 is dishonored. It means 275 rupees check is not credited in the passbook. So how much amount is credited in the passbook? The amount credited in the passbook is, if this much amount is not credited, the difference is only credited. Okay. It means 1,065 is credited. 1,065 is credited. So to make the difference, here the balance of cash book is here and passbook balance is here. To make the difference equal, we are taking which side? We are taking the cash book side. So we use this side to make the balance. So what we will do, we will reduce. How much amount we will reduce so that we will reach to this level? We will reduce this 275 minus 275 from cash book. Then we will reach to 1,065. Both the balance will be equal. If you reduce this much amount, 275. Okay, 275. So 275 will be deducted. 275. Okay, 275. Second one, next, second, is during the month, you write the complete sentence. During the month on January, issued check worth rupees 1670 to my creditor. Out of this, check of 1370 were presented for payment on 5th February. Means after the date of reconciliation, check is presented after the date of reconciliations. Reconciliation date is 31st January. Reconciliation date is 31st January 2017. Okay, so during the month of January, issued check of rupees 1670. So cash book balance is decreased by 1670 to my creditor. Out of this, check of rupees 1370 were presented on 5th February. Means after this date. Means this much check is not presented up to 31st January. So up to 31st January, this much check is not presented. 1370. It means only 300 check is presented up to 31st January. Okay. So cash book balance is decreased by this much amount. Passbook balance is only decreased by this much amount. So what we'll do, we'll add how much amount? 1370 in the cash book to make the balance equal to passbook. 1370. So we'll write this side 1370 in the plus side. This we have to add. Next is according to my standing order. According to my standing order. Okay, write the complete sentence. Orders. Banker have been paid according to our standing order. According to my standing order, banker have been paid during the month of January the following: life insurance premium, television license fees, and driving license fees. These are paid by the banker as per our standing order. It means passbook is reduced by these three figures: 170, 120 and 22. Total it is reduced by 312. Total it is reduced by 312, and that information is not given to us. So passbook is not reduced. Passbook balance is here. Sorry, cash book balance is here. Cash book is not reduced because information is not given to us. So what we'll do to make the balance equal, passbook balance is here and cash book balance is here. To make the balance equal, we'll reduce 312 rupees in the cash book to make the balance equal with the passbook. So we'll reduce 312. 312 will be reduced. Okay, 312 will be reduced. Next is fourth number. My bankers have collected. Okay, write the sentence, complete sentence. My banker have collected My banker have collected 150 as dividend on shares. The bank has collected 150 dividend. So passbook balance is increased by 150, and if this information is not given to us, it means that transactions dividend is not recorded in cash book in debit side. So cash book balance is not increased. So cash book balance is here and passbook balance is here. To make the balance equal, what we do, we add 150 in the cash book to make the balance equal 150 will be added by us. We'll add the 150. Next number 5 number, my bankers have given me, you write the some complete sentence. Sentence is given me wrong credit. My banker has given me wrong credit. Wrong amount is credited. Wrong amount is credited. So in the passbook, if wrong amount is credited, so in passbook balance is increased. It is wrong credited by 150. So passbook balance will increase by 150. That mistake is not done in the cash book. So cash book balance is not increased. Cash book balance is here and passbook balance is here. To make the balance equal, what we'll do? We add in the cash book 150 to make the balance equal. Okay. Next is point number 6 is interest charged by the bank, rupees 125. Interest charged by the bank, rupees 125. So when the bank charged the interest, passbook balance is decreased by 125. That entry is not recorded in cash book because it is not, intimation is not sent to us. So that is not recorded by our accountant in the cash book in the payment side. So cash book balance is here as it is as before, whereas the passbook balance is here. To make the balance equal, what we'll do, we'll reduce the cash book balance by 125. So 125 will be in minus side. 125 will be in minus side. Now we do the total. Now we'll do the total. Okay. So this side total is 2, 9, 10, 11, 1, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3, 1, 13,212. And this side total is 5, 7, 6, 1, 1670. 1670. Okay. 1670. It is 1370. It is 1370. Okay, it is 70. So 1670. Now find out the difference amount. This side is less, this side is more. So difference amount is, difference is 2. Okay, you write the difference this side as well. Difference is, you can write this side as well. 2, 4, 5, 1, 1. 11,542. This is the difference amount. So this difference is indicate that, what it indicate? Minus is more than plus. It means bank balance as per cash book, is start with the cash book. So answer will be bank balance as per passbook. So passbook, when the minus is more and plus is less, it means it's a debit balance. In the passbook, it's a debit, it's a withdrawal, overdraft. It's a overdraft balance. It's a overdraft balance. Indicate the overdraft. It's a overdraft. Overdraft. It's a debit balance. Okay, it's a debit balance.